Well, it is a bittersweet moment that reminds us of having emerged victorious at the world's toughest battlefield, but also reminds us of the clear and present danger that Pakistan-born terror presents to India even today. This day last year, we won the Kargil war at the cost of hundreds of young lives. And today, as we engage with Pakistan at a diplomatic level, there are still ceasefire violations that are being reported every day and Jawans who are being killed every single day. Well, Ashraf Wani reports from the Dras sector as we remember our martyrs today and tell us why there will never be a repeat of the 1999 Kargil war.
Army Jawans and families of Kargil martyrs remembering the sacrifice of our heroes in Dras on Vijay Divas. "15 years ago, their loved ones gave up their lives while fighting the enemy. It is the remembrance of supreme sacrifice, courage, valor and celebration of victory against the enemy who threatened our sovereignty.
I have been lucky that my first posting has been Kargil, and it's a matter of immense proud कि जो चीज़ हमने किताबों में पढ़ी है, what you have read in magazines, watched in news. My father is also in the army, so what you have seen on TV, now you are in the same location and amongst the same hills and mountains where the supreme sacrifice was made by our own brothers in arms.
As a childhood, when I was in 5th class, I read about Kargil war, and today I got opportunity and got commission, and I'm serving this land. I'm very proud of it.
Army Chief General Bikram Singh remembered the martyrs by laying a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras. While acknowledging the problems that the Indian Army faces today, General Bikram Singh assured the Jawans that the government was serious about their welfare.
Things have changed, and let me tell you, all the armies have deficiencies. It is not that only the Indian Army had deficiencies. But let me tell you, things are being made up. The present government is definitely committed towards ensuring that the aspirations of all soldiers are met.
अभी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. इक्विपमेंट मेरे ख्याल से बाकी जो डिमांड्स हैं सेना की और एक्स सर्विसमैन की और शहीद परिवारों की उनको पूरा करना काफी बाकी है अभी तक.
On the 15th Vijay Divas, the army chief paid glowing tributes to the martyrs of Kargil war. After 15 years, he even accepted that there are deficiencies in every army and also in Indian army. But one thing he has assured, that the current government has started some work on the upgradation and improvement of Indian army.
But the family of some of the martyrs say they have not got what they were promised by the government.
नौकरी नहीं मिला सर. जिस हस्बैंड को शहीद होते हैं वो सबको नौकरी मिलते है सर. हमें नौकरी नहीं मिला है सर. सिर्फ पेंशन ही मिला है सर.
The political class of the country may have let our Jawans down, but not the people who showed up to honor those who lived to serve. Expressing solidarity with the Jawans, a large number drawn from different parts of the country are in Kargil to thank our brave hearts who are serving at the icy heights of Kargil.
हम लोग इन लोगों की शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए आए हैं जिन्होंने हमारे लिए वो बहुत करते हैं. वो हम लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग जी रहे हैं.
बहुत इनके बारे में बहुत गर्व होता है और जी भर के आता है. यह कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करने के लिए हम आए हैं. पहले आए थे तब इंडिपेंडेंस डे और राखी पूर्णिमा एक दिन थी. तब से एक लगाव सा हो गया कि इनको बार बार मिले. भाई जो है हमारे.
These men who work under extreme adverse conditions to protect the boundaries of our nation deserve the respect and support of the government. Ensuring welfare of our Jawans and the families of our martyrs will be the biggest tribute to our heroes on this 15th Vijay Divas. This is the least that the government can do for them. With Ashraf Wani in Dras sector, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.